Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix MS Gaming Overlay pop-up message on Windows 11. So let's start. So first let's go to search bar and write register. Okay, editor register, just click here and just click on this. And then let's go to the pod that says key current user and let's go to software, and then on software let's go to Microsoft. And here on Microsoft just go to the Windows. Okay, so here on Microsoft just go to Windows, just go to Microsoft, let's go to Windows. Okay, so here on Windows, then you have here and you can check if there is the part that says game DBA. Okay, so in this case I don't have it, I don't appear it, but if you're your case you can check it and go to the part that says game DBR. So that is the check, you have to check that one. If appears, just click there and you can find all options there that says that you can delete it or something like that. It's how you can start it, and then you have to disabilitate or ability, depend on the case, that part. So guys, well, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.